Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. Today we're talking about Chelsea's new number 9, Joao Pedro, and the big question on every fan's mind. Can he finally break Chelsea's so-called number 9 curse? Joao Pedro made an incredible statement in his first match wearing the famous number 9 shirt. Against Fulham, he needed just 31 seconds to score, calmly lifting the ball over goalkeeper Bernd Leno and putting Chelsea ahead. Chelsea eventually. For years, Chelsea fans have believed that the number 9 shirt brings bad luck. Big-name strikers such as Romelu Lukaku, Alvaro Morata, Gonzalo Higuain, Radamel Falcao, and Pierre-Emerick Aubameyang all struggled while wearing the number. But Joao Pedro is not worried about the pressure. He said, "I don't believe in that. I don't think numbers can decide this pressure." And there is a good reason for Chelsea supporters to be excited, becoming the first Chelsea striker since Diego Costa to reach that mark. His journey to the top has also been far from easy. As a young player in Brazil, he was told that he was not strong enough. With the support of his mother and his personal trainer, he worked hard, improved his physical strength, and eventually became a Premier League star. Now Chelsea have given him the number 9 shirt and a new long-term contract. So can Joao Pedro become the only time will tell, but his first statement has certainly been a powerful one. If you enjoyed this video, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell for more football news and updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.